How to add automatic subtitles in multiple languages to your live stream. Hello, I'm Helen Santos, Support Specialist at JMV Technology. Accessibility is no longer just a bonus feature, but a legal and social requirement. With that in mind, I'll show you a tool that adds subtitles in multiple languages in real time directly at the source of your live stream. This makes your broadcast more professional, fully accessible, compliant with accessibility laws, and reaches more people, including those with hearing impairments or watching without sound. If you're a beginner, just scan the QR code for free access to our course platform. There you'll find various training programs focused on live broadcasting. Visit live-transcription.com and click on Start Free Trial. The platform offers 30 minutes free to try it out. You can create an account using email or sign in directly with Google. After registering, you'll receive a confirmation code in your email. If you don't find it in your inbox, check your spam folder too. To use this tool, you'll need an RTMP or HLS output link from your stream, which is provided by your streaming server. If you don't already use a service that provides this link, you should know that JMV Technology offers live streaming with integrated real-time captions. This means you don't need to do all this manual process. If you want to learn more, just scan the QR code on screen. Click Create New Stream, paste your HLS link, and then click Validate Stream. At this point, the tool will verify if the link is valid. Remember that your live stream must already be running for this to work properly. Below that, enter a name to identify your broadcast and click Continue. Here you select the original language of the live stream. In my case, it's Portuguese. If you want, you can select this option to generate TXT and SRT files with the transcript after the live stream ends. These files will be available for download afterward. Next, enable the translation option for other languages. The free trial allows you to choose up to 3 languages. I'll just select English. You can also uncheck the original language option if you prefer. Once everything is configured, click Start Transcription. Here you can already see the live stream preview. For each selected language, the tool generates a specific HLS link that you can copy by clicking this button. The great thing about this tool is that captions are embedded directly in the video without needing special players or plugins working on any device. In Live Story, you can view all active and completed broadcasts. Clicking on one of them lets you access the preview. This one, for example, is the English version. At the top, you can track the remaining transcription time. When you want to end, just click on Stop Stream. After the live stream ends, you can view the recording normally. If TXT and SRT file generation is enabled, the transcript appears beside the video, allowing keyword searches. You can also copy the player link to share. You can view the player and download TXT SRT files. If your free 30 minutes expire, upgrade via the Billing and Plans menu. And that's it. With this tool, you can add real-time subtitles in multiple languages directly to your live stream, making it more accessible and professional. If you enjoyed this video, share and follow us for more content like this.